Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me Munira, and in this video I will be showing you guys how to do foundation at home. So guys, don't go anywhere and stay tuned.
Okay people, I'll show you what I have here. I have a compact powder. The first thing I'll be using is a compact powder. Okay, then I have this. You need a moisturizer or primer or anything. This one I'll be using. Okay, and if you have oily skin, you can put some of this also. A bit, not too much of it, only little amount. I'll just tell you the quantity of it later. And I use this. This is a blusher. When I use it to contour my face. But I will just see if the foundation will turn out to be my color. I won't have to add that. But if it won't be my color, then I'll have to add that.
I had this also. This is a bronzer from Elizabeth Eden. I love this also, so I'll just be using this in case it's the color won't be my color. So as you can see, and so now here in this small bowl I have just put it here. I have compact powder. This compact powder I put it here, and then I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of this is a moisturizer. I use it as primer also, so I'm just going to put not even full. You can just see. Oops. Okay, I'll put 1, and then I'll try to mix it. This is what we get here. Okay, you can just see it's very easy to do this thing, because like sometimes I go like at my friend's house, then maybe if I want to do makeup and then maybe her foundation doesn't match my color. So this is very easy. You can just put compact powder and a primer or moisturizer, then you're easy to go. So my skin, as you can see my other video, you guys have to watch it. I've said my skin is halfly oily and dry some other part, so I'll just put a little bit of this, because actually I have no dry skin. I have oily skin, but on my nose it's dry, so just put some of this and mix it together, and let's see what comes out. This is the portion is small because I only want to use it for now, but if you guys want, you can just do in bigger portion and put it in a jar, and then you can use it as anytime you want. So I'm just going to do this so that I can mix it well. Okay, this is what I have. This, so I'm just going to try it on my hand and see if it's my color. Sorry about this. So this is the outcome. Okay, you can see my hands, both hands right here. You can just see the foundation turned out to be a bit dark on my hand because I actually use this powder for my customers. So it's really not my color. So what you have to do, if something happens like this, you can just add translucent powder, Laura Mercier. So I'll just add half tablespoon for now and see. You can see this powder of mine has another color because I mix it with banana powder. So sometimes if I use banana powder and the leftover, I put it inside. I don't want to waste anything. If this looks ready, I'll just try this in my other hand. It's a bit dark, you cannot see, but I just like this color. This is my color, I think. You can just see the difference. Maybe see this? This is a bit lighter than this. This is a bit dark, so this is not my color, but it's nice also. You can just see this. Okay, now I have turned on the light so that you guys can see clear. You can see the difference. This is a bit dark. This is the one I used before mixing with translucent powder, and this is the one I used translucent powder with it. So you can just do the opposite. Like if you mix it and it happens to be dark, so you can use translucent powder. Or if you mix it and it happens to be light, you can mix it with any bronzer you use. And if you want it to be a little bit shiny, you can use this one. This is my bronzer. I love this thing. So see how shiny it looks. If you mix it with it, it's going also to look nice. Or otherwise, you can use it as to contour your face. And you can just put some bronzer in it, and then you can use it like a concealer. So you can just do anything with it. Okay guys, I just hope you like the video, and if you have anything to ask, please write down in the comments below, and please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.